Hey guys, my name is Patrick Kogan, and in this video I'm going to share with you that you can make the right decision right now. So stay tuned. If you make the wrong decisions at the wrong times, it is going to get you in trouble. If you make the right decisions at the right times of your life, it is going to lead to a wonderful life. Your decisions are going to affect your health, your success, your financial situation, your relationships, and everything that matters in your life. If you have some vision and you have dreams and goals you want to achieve, you obviously know by now that it is going to require time. It is going to require a lot of hard work. It is going to require lots of sacrifices. You are going to encounter different obstacles, problems, and challenges. You are going to get uncomfortable and not feeling like you want to do something, but pushing yourself to do it. You are going to need to make the right decision and do the best so that you can create the life you truly want and desire. I'm here to tell you that no matter what you want to get or achieve in life, there are going to occur things that aren't gonna work out the way you want them to work out. Some call it tough times, some call it big problems, and some call it challenges. And it's only up to you how you perceive it, whether you take ownership of that and you learn from that and move on, or you are going to play the victim persona. Because what's going to determine your future life is what you do from this moment right now on, making the right decisions at the right time. Understand that everything you are going through in your life right now will pass. Every mistake you made, every challenge you encounter or adversity will pass. If you just trust the process of life, because everything happens for a reason. If you've made some poor or bad decisions in your life, then you've got to make some adjustments. You need to sit down and think about your life, because you are where you are right now because of your decisions in the past. But you need to understand that the past doesn't equal the future. You can start doing right decisions from now on. You have a choice, because if you keep making the wrong decisions, it is going to get you into more trouble. Every one of us is capable of change. I'm capable of change, you are capable of change, and we all have so much potential we are not even aware of. We can do incredible things. Just think about all those people you saw in different videos. That's so amazing what we can do in our lives. You are capable of anything you want, but many times there are things that are preventing us from doing so. One of them is patience. Everything in life takes time. If you want to get good at something, or you want to lose weight, get in shape, or make $1 million, it takes time. So you need to learn to be patient. It is a process. And you have to be willing to delay gratification, which is always a very important principle and rule of success. Lots of people want instant gratification, and therefore they make wrong decisions all the time. So, what decision will you make in your life today? I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos like this, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it, comment below, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future content. Thanks for watching.